In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if 1688 app is linked to Alipay 2025, step by step. Before we start, here's why this matters. Knowing whether your 1688 account is linked to Alipay helps you avoid payment errors at checkout, confirms your buyer identity, and speeds up orders. We're not changing any settings today, just verifying the link, so you can follow along safely. First, open the 1688 app and log into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that the app is up to date, since older versions may label menus differently. If the interface appears in Chinese, that's normal for 1688. You don't need to switch languages for this check, and I'll tell you exactly what to tap. Next, go to your account area. Tap Wo De, which means My Account. You'll usually find it on the bottom navigation bar, often at the far right. This takes you to your personal profile hub. From there, look for the small gear icon, that's Settings. Tap it to open your account settings. Inside Settings, you're heading to Payment Settings. Find and tap Zifu Shiji, which translates to Payment Settings. Depending on your app version, it might be grouped with Security or Account Options, so scroll if you don't see it right away. Once you're in Payment Settings, look for the Alipay entry. It may be labeled Alipay or Zifu Bao, and sometimes you'll see the familiar blue Alipay logo. Now check the link status shown next to Alipay. If you see Yibang Ding, that means linked successfully. If you see Weibang Ding, that means not linked. When it's linked, the app will usually display a masked version of the Alipay contact, such as a partially hidden email or phone. That's just to confirm it's connected. You don't need to reveal or share any of those details. If it's not linked, you won't see any contact information there. A few quick tips if something looks different on your screen. If payment settings isn't obvious, scroll through the settings menu slowly. Some layouts group payments under security or wallet sections. If labels look unfamiliar, rely on the exact Chinese terms I mentioned. Wodi for my account, the gear icon for settings, Zifu Shiju for payment settings, and Zifu Bao for Alipay. If options don't load, close and reopen the app or check for updates. That's it. You've confirmed whether your 1688 app is linked to Alipay by navigating to My Account, opening Settings, going into Payment Settings, and reading the status next to Alipay. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you shop smoothly on 1688.